Hey guys, let's talk about why it's important to vary your pressure during bodywork. It's not just about delivering as much pressure as possible. Different types of pressure activates different sensors embedded in your fascia called mechanoreceptors. These receptors all speak to your nervous system in different ways. Some respond to vibration, some love gentle stretches, others only wake up when you stay still and go deep. So instead of just using pressure as a hammer, you can start using it as a language. Each stroke, each pause, each glide activates a different guardian in the fascia. So when you vary your pressure, you're not just applying force, you're speaking to the nervous system directly through the mechanoreceptors. The easiest way to think about it, imagine your fascia like a living landscape, and scattered throughout that landscape are little tiny guardians or even satellites, each tuned in with a specific type of input. Some wake up with vibration, others listen for stretch, some only respond when the pressure is just right and held long enough. They're always listening, they're always transmitting, and when you touch with intention, they respond. So, let's introduce the different guardians. First guardian, we got Captain Pacino, Pacinian corpuscles. These receptors wake up with vibration and fast, firm pressure, pretty much when you use a percussion gun, trumpet, or deep compression. Pacino is the one that's responding. He helps calm the nervous system and quickly deals with the pain signals. Second guardian, we got Blue Monk Meissner, aka Meissner corpuscles. Meissner is all about featherweight contact and gliding strokes. When you start a session with gentle effleurage or gliding strokes, or finish up with skin brushing, you're speaking his language. This helps the client shift to the parasympathetic nervous system, rest, digest, and recover. The third guardian we got is the Rough Rider, aka Ruffini endings. Rough Rider responds to slow, consistent, and stretched pressure. They're most active when you're doing myofascial release, any type of long stroke, or doing any type of skin tractioning. Rough Rider helps release long-held patterns by telling the nervous system we are safe. Next up, we got the Merkle disc, aka night disc. They respond to firm, steady contact, like when you're doing scar work, pin and stretches, or static compression. They're excellent for bringing back tactile sensations to areas that are disconnected. Next up, we got the Golgi tendon organs, aka Guardian Golgi. These live in the tendons and they respond to heavy sustained pressure, especially where muscle meets bone. When you apply deep work next to the attachment point, talking to the Golgi, he helps override overcontracted muscles and resets the tone. Last but not least, we got muscle spindles, aka spindle snap. Spindle snap is built for stretch. If you move too fast or yank into a stretch, he panics and triggers a contraction to protect the muscle. If you oscillate slowly, stretch actively, or guide motion with control, he lets you go deeper safely. When you understand which guardian you're talking to, your hands stop guessing. They